Budapest and beyond! If you want to feel like you've stepped back in time in Budapest, all you've really got to do is ride the subway. Specifically, you need to hop on the classic M1 line. The M1 is the oldest line of the Budapest Metro, and it was the first underground train in continental Europe. And it's the second oldest underground in the world after the London Underground, built in 1894 to 1896. The line was inaugurated on May 2, 1896, the year of the Hungarian Millennium, by Emperor Franz Joseph. There have been a few alterations to the line, but there was also a painstaking restoration to return the entire line to its original look from the 1800s. Within the station of Deák Ferenc, visitors are welcome to the Underground Railway Museum. The museum is located in an abandoned section of the tracks and includes vintage metro carriages. Hop on Budapest's M1 line and take a ride through history.